Hello there, I'm John Harder, and I'm making this video for tbcjacob.com. Introduction. Creating cash flow with TBC is a breeze. With the step-by-step system that is in Jacob's cash flow toolbox, all you gotta do is follow the steps, and it is by sheer magic that you begin cash flowing just by simply following the steps 1 through 23 there. Start cash flowing today. Step 1. Receive the gift available here. Right-click to open links. Step 2. Upon your update your Kringle.Cash profile. Log in here. Step 3. Pay your Kringle.Cash admin fee. I'm going to inject just a little bit of information here though, because the Kringle.Cash admin fee is a $10 fee, and it doesn't say it here right now, and that is because I didn't type it in. So it is a .cash, and I'm going to just quickly type it in. It is a $10 admin fee. And what that does, it is a fee that takes care of the TBC transactions for life. You don't need to ever pay for your transactions. Now, if you use the Kringle.Cash site, it is a $10 a year fee. But if you only use the wallet and are not using the Kringle.Cash, well, the Kringle.Cash is paid for the first year anyway, but thereafter, the Kringle.Cash will not be available to you, but the wallet fee is taken care of still. Kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. All right. So to make this payment, steps to make payment, log in to your Kringle.Cash, click on accounts, select type of coin, which are available are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Send amount to wallet address and make payment. To make payment, and log in here, which is the Kringle.Cash where you would log in. Step 4. Press the send button, pass the send button test. To do the test, log in to Kringle.Cash, click on New Wallet, answer 10 questions correctly. To complete test, log in here. Step 5. Set up TBC009.net wallet. Sign up at TBC009.net wallet and follow the steps to set it up. Step 9. Set up a broadcast on YouTube. And there's a video here on how to do it if you don't know how to. What did I say? 9. Step 6. Thought that sounded wrong. Okay, step 7. Schedule broadcast on Kringle.Cash. Again, here's an instruction video in case you need it. Step 8. Do a live broadcast on YouTube. And again, there's a video here to help you along if you need it. Step 9. Fill out the form in step 9 in order to claim your coin you purchased in step 3. Log into tbcjacob.com, click on Get Wallet, then go to step 9 and then click on Contact Form and follow the steps. Step 10. Okay, it just kind of slides easily here. Okay, so step 10. Log in to your Kringle.Cash back office. Click on Transaction Verification, then click on Buyers and complete the form according to the transaction information in your wallet, in your TBC009.net wallet. All right. Okay, where are we here exactly? So step 11, contact your seller and ask for the confirmation to be done on their end. Step 12, partner up with a broadcaster to create your stream of cash flow until redemption period, at which point you can begin selling your own coin. Step 13, sign up everyone in your household and help them receive the gift, even babies. Your Kringle.Cash referral link is this here link, and replace this part with your username. Step 14, help each member of your household to complete the steps above, meaning step 1 to 13. Step 15, receive a 50% commission on each member of your household from your partner who, you know, your broadcast partner. That you've chosen to partner up with from your broadcast partner to complete this step. Step 16, make a list of 10 closest people to you in your life outside of your household. Step 17, invite all 10 of them to receive the gift and then complete the steps above, meaning step 1 through 16. Step 18, start 15 new chat sessions on 50 new chat sessions on Facebook using a GIF icebreaker, and which this here is the link to go there, and also a script to use. Step 19, show interest in each of those Facebook friends that respond to your icebreaker. And step 20, once chat dialogue is showing open friendliness, invite them to receive the gift, the free gift. And again, here's your Kringle.Cash link. You use this exact link and replace this part with your username. Step 21, help those that receive the gift to complete the steps above. Step 22, work your broadcast leads inside your Kringle.Cash back office. And step 23, study the blog. And this is the link to that blog. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you find this slideshow very, very useful to create a very, very abundant stream of cash flow for yourself and help a lot of people in the process. Thank you.